First of all, welcome back to my channel. Second of all, I went to go start breaking down all my stuff because I just sat down and I filmed a fun little look. And then I did an unboxing. So I'm breaking down my beauty studio. I'm cleaning up. Well, I'm not really breaking down the beauty studio. I'm just shutting down the filming equipment. When I go to check my camera, and guess what? Didn't record my unboxing. Bummer. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and re-record my unboxing. It's not as surprising this time, but I do want to go through my Ipsy with you this month. The theme is Fresh Spring Beauty. Oh, I totally didn't even realize this was a card that opened. Okay. Wow. All right. So the bag is lemons. I guess lemons goes with spring. I love lemons. I love limes. I love grapefruit. I love citrus, except orange. I'm not an orange person, but I do think this bag is really, really cute. I will actually be using this bag. So first thing, also on the card, the first thing is the Tony Moly Sweet Punch or Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. And it really does smell like a peach. I'm just so excited. So this says we can't get enough of K-beauty brands like this line of high quality and super fun products. As I knock everything over. This gentle cleanser is made with nourishing peach extract and olive oil to condition the skin while whisking away sweat, dirt, and impurities. So this is a K-beauty brand. It is made in Korea. I don't know if it's cruelty-free. I do have to do some research. I kind of hope it is because I just ran out of my normal cleanser. Okay, so next is the Balm Cosmetics, the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain in Konnichiwa. And this is what it looks like. Aside from having adorbs packaging that's packed with girl power, the balm's known for quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. This peachy terracotta stain gloss hybrid coats lips in a rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours. That actually is a really pretty color. All right, next up is Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner, travel size in carbon black. I've already swatched it, but I love Ico. This has a precision brush, it's waterproof, and it's made with wide lash technology, so it's lash enhancing. This little sample will last me months, but let's see what their description says. Before I read their description, I will say I've used Mini Pens by Ico, and it's still one of my favorite eyeliners behind my Tarte Man Eater. Looking for a new liner to love? Ico has their A+ waterproof. Ico and their A+ waterproof liner dries ASAP and won't fade, smudge, or budge. So no worries about having to reapply. Okay. I can speak to that. It is very long lasting. It is their products are waterproof and they are pigmented. Now be warned, it does bleed a little bit, but as much as I love Ico, I can be a little more precise with my line. so that and prepare for bleeding. But at the same time, I love Ico's products. Anyway, with its tapered precision tip, you can create looks with it that are limitless. Go thin and flick or lay it on thick. For killer cat eyes, begin lining along the inner corner of your eye, thickening the line as you reach your outer corner and sharply wing your line out and up. Okay. I have no issues with that. Okay, so far, the 3 out of the 5 products, I really do like. I'm not super excited about the balm because I'm not a big person, like lip gloss person, but the shade is pretty, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so next is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I did put a tiny drop on my hand. It feels kind of tacky, but super hydrating. And I'm super excited. I've never tried it. This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba oil and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Okay, so if you're allergic to coconut, don't use this. Plus, it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And like all of Tarte's fab formulas, it's vegan and cruelty-free. That is one reason I love Tarte. They are vegan, they are cruelty-free, and their products are amazing. Now, last but not least, and I'm still excited about it, we have a full size of Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. I'm super excited about this. I put some on. I love this shade, and I love the fact that this is a full size. But let's go ahead and see what they have to say. Ofra Cosmetics was founded by girl boss and beauty guru Ofra Gaito. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And quickly became beloved by celebs and makeup artists alike. This golden shade warms up all skin tones, adds a sun-kissed glow, and reflects light in a totally natural looking way. The baked formula gives you tons of pigment and an unbeatable sheen. This is the shade. I did swatch it. It is stunning. I do have some on. And I agree. I do think that this is one of those highlighters that will work with every skin tone. So, that being said, I am actually super excited about this month's Ipsy. But I'm going to look at some of the like sneak peek spoilers for Glam Bag Plus and see if it's a risk I want to take. This month, it just wasn't. There was nothing in there that like came to me. And Glam Bag Plus just wasn't something I was interested in this month. So I will do some research and I will find out if I'm going to go through with it next month. I do have a fun series that I'm working on, and it will change my upload from Mondays and Wednesdays to Mondays. Oh my gosh. It will change my upload schedule from Wednesday, Friday to Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So it won't adjust it to the point where you're not getting videos on the day I'm already putting up videos. You will actually get a whole nother video on Saturday. So that is something I am considering and I'm working on. I don't know exactly when I'm going to have the first video up, but I'm working on it. So this is the April Ipsy. I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited to try these products. I do love Ofra. I do love Ico. I do love Tarte. And I'm really excited to try that Tony Moly. I'm also going to do some research and find out if it is cruelty free. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time, and stay tuned for the upcoming series that I'm planning. All right, bye.